My fellow Americans. Oh no, that's the wrong address. Sorry. Can you pull that up with the teleprompter, please? Yes. My speech. Oh, okay, sorry. How you doing, everybody? Kai Green here, your boy, AKA Mr. Getting It Done, and we are doing it in very big ways. I just stopped by the Generation Iron studio, as I usually do, in my midday afternoon. And it has come to my attention that we need to bring y'all in and up to date. So, to all my people out there at home, and to all the bodybuilding sports fans and training and exercise enthusiasts, your boy, Kai Green, has an announcement to make. That's right, Kai Green, the man that's teamed up with Generation Iron, about to do very big and wonderful things, is going to do the Arnold Classic. The Arnold Classic, Columbus, Ohio. That's right, the authentic, the original Arnold Classic, only the largest and most exciting bodybuilding show on the planet. We will be there taking part 2016. That's right, so mark it off on your calendars, folks. Bodybuilding, Arnold Classic, Generation Iron 2016. Kai Green, your boy, AKA Mr. Getting It Done, doing it big for 2016. Peace.
They told me you'd never pick up another weight again. It's over for you. But I fooled. Death. I looked you in the face and I kicked your fucking ass. I'm still here.